Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe will be how to make a simple recipe of mixed beans. And for that you will need 2 cans of mixed beans. You can buy them in UK in Aldi or Tesco easily. And you also need 1 large chopped onion, 1 large spoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1 to 2 green chilli, 3 medium-sized tomato, 2 teaspoons of butter, and from masalas you will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, half teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of mild madras curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. A full description of ingredients will be in description or in comments. So first we're gonna add about 3 large spoon of oil, heat it up and add onions to cook it golden. And once you see that onions are gonna start to change color soon, add also garlic and ginger paste, mix it up and let it all come to golden color. So once onions, garlic and ginger have turned into the golden color, please add tomatoes. Add little bit of water and make it smaller fire and cover it so the tomatoes can soften and skin will be easy to remove. I've added a bit of water and fire is smaller. Now I'm gonna cover it so they can soften. Now that the tomatoes have softened, I was able to easily remove the skins and I will let them soften more to be in even gravy. Now the tomatoes have softened completely, as you can see, and oil has come on surface. Add please all the masalas, mix it up, give it about half minute. And now you can add the mixed beans. Obviously the mixed beans from the can I have already washed. And now add also please water. I would add about 1 large glass of water. And make it small to medium fire and cover it for cooking. Once it starts bubbling, then open the lid and add 2 teaspoons of butter, mix it and then cover it to cook. Once the oil is coming on surface and the beans are softening, add please green chilies, mix it up gently and cover it and cook it until you see that all the mixed beans, you can check them that they have cooked properly, that they are soft. Once the beans have softened and you have cooked them with covered the lid on small fire, this is the consistency that should be. Now the dish is fully cooked. Please enjoy it with naan, paratha or roti, and you can have some side of a fresh salad. And full list of ingredients will be in description. Please subscribe for more recipes and enjoy.